What up with it? Q hollering at you. Q's listening session, volume 3. I ain't made no beats in a minute. I ain't gonna lie. I just been traveling, experiencing life. You know, I got a lot of interests, man. I got a lot of different interests. I do love this music thing, but I don't mind taking breaks for, decent stretches of time. It could be 2 weeks. It could be a month, 2 months. No, I don't quite go that long without making nothing, but I can sit down for a month. You know what I'm saying? I typically do that, not really on purpose. I just kind of drift away into my other interests, if you will. But I like the feeling of coming back and everything feeling fresh and new, versus just grinding it out every day just because. Like, in some cases where I'm trying to get better at something, I don't mind getting my shots up in the gym, so to speak, you know what I mean? But sometimes I like to just step away and then come back and appreciate that we live in a time where we have the ability to make music at the crib. I'm just old enough to remember, man, a lot of this stuff that you said Guitar Center was out of reach, or MPC back then, you know what I'm saying, thousands of dollars. Everybody just couldn't get that, you know what I mean? And now we all have access to make music if we choose to do so. Anyway, listening session volume 3. When it rains, it pours. Number 16. Let's see what we got. I think as the listening sessions keep going, the beat should get better and better, hopefully. And if not, then we just got to get in the lab and work. Whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't mean to blow y'all ears out like that. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'll do a little bit. Let's let that run back one more time. All right, let's see what we got going on in sequence 3. Oh yeah, that's jamming. And I do a lot of blends, not necessarily with lo-fi, but typical boom bap sampling, but having it jammy, you know what I mean? A lot of heavy 808s. Is, I naturally kind of lend to something in between, you know what I mean? Modern and then, good old classic boom bap. I'm typically somewhere in the middle. Okay, there's rocking. All right, that's cool. All right, number 17, please me. So we started at 16, we're going to end at 26. Let's see if I got anything in song mode out here. I already know I didn't add that to it. I could tell when it started. And I need to start labeling my tracks, man, because I don't be knowing what's going on. But knowing my process. Oh, I got to oscillate and filter on it. Okay, there's a little composition going on right there. 2 is probably my drums, knowing me. Yep. My little strings. Beautiful, nice and smooth. All right, let's see if we can do this. Okay, that's cool. That's straight. All right, we starting to. Now my beat's getting better. If you heard the other listening sessions, I had some, you know what I'm saying? Had some very undeveloped sounds in there. Okay, that just really needs some sequencing. That's about it. Let's see what it is. Number 18. Civil rights kid. What in the world? When he got there. Okay. How many sequences we got here? All right. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let's let that run one more time. That definitely sounds like a golden age type of sample right there. Turn that down. There we go. All right. Okay. Got some layers going on there. How much do I have on the track? Let's see. I don't even know where that sample come from. What? Boy? Okay. They got some more, that's not bad. It's got some more tweaking to do there, but that's not bad. They got some potential. Okay, song right here. Okay, we got a sequence here. We'll just call number 19, Never in My Life. So if it's sequence, it must be kind of done. So let's see what we got. Okay. The 808 kind of nasty. Yeah, need to do some mixing on that. Not a bad concept. Yeah, and then adjust some of the drums. Alright, that ain't bad either. And I like to try to keep a mental note of songs that I'm going over. I'm like, okay, let me go back and take some time to really clean this up. They just need some mixing and adjusting some drums. That's cool. Because sometimes it's just easier not to try to force yourself to do it all in one go. You might have new ideas. You got more energy. You might come back refreshed. So I think it's always a good idea to go back through beats and refine them. You know what I'm saying? Beat It, Punk, number 20. Let's see, we got some here, song, okay. Uh-oh, one sequence, uh-oh. I like the layering on the drums, though. Do a little drums doing it a little bit. I like it. I like that. Need some sequencing, but I like that. All right, number 21, I Was Thinking. Let's see what I was thinking right here. Curtis Mayfield, oh Lord. 3 sequences. Oh, I think I remember this. See, this is one of the beats where I like to go back where I'm like, oh, I forgot about this. If this is what I think it is, this gonna go right here. And that's another reason I like stepping away, not listening to my own music and that, because then you can be pleasantly surprised. Woo! Okay, that's right. Hold on. One more time before we go to 30. Wait a minute. Oh, hey. Oh, people, I like your joint right here. Oh, and that transition to 2. I like that. That's going crazy. That's going crazy. That's going crazy right there. Yeah. Okay. That was it. All right, let's see. I named this something crazy. Mangoes taste good in the winter too. What? I don't be knowing what's going through my mind. What? Anyway, let's see what we got. One sequence. Uh-oh. Okay, change up the vibe a little bit. Some nice little commercial elevated music. And that's crazy going from the last beat. That's a very big change. And because I got them sequenced, I know I made this after I made that. That is a quick vibe change. I ain't mad at it though. I wonder if I made that in the same day. I don't know. Nah, timestamp different. Okay, that's cute. All right, I'm cool too. Let's see. No sequence. No song laid out, rather. 4 sequences. Let's see what we got. Oh, man, I hit some kind of, like, chill mode. All right, let me try to listen. What's going on? Okay. Hold on now. Oh, I like this. Hold on. Turn that up, man. Wait a minute. This, man. I don't know what I was on right here, but I was cooling. This jump. That's chilled in the mud right there. Oh. All right, let's go back to one. Got a breakdown. Oh man, I like that. All right, 24 over the hill. See if we got a song laid out right here. All right, how many sequences we got? Just one. Uh-oh. And I just got one strong bass line right there. Okay, that sounds like it could turn into something. It's gonna take some work, but I like the little vibe of it. That's chill, laid back. That's like some real relaxed stuff right there too. La La again for the third, so it's probably a sample that I use multiple times. I love doing that too, man. I was like, I ain't gonna limit myself to using the sample one time, especially if I'm gonna flip it different. Sometimes I like to, just variate it and just see, take one sample and just challenge yourself. How many different times can you flip the same sample? Okay, yeah, I used that on my flight to Dubai tape because I just like the sample. Just different drums. They're just so chill, man. You can put a lot on them drums. I could probably throw another sample on there and transition, put it in the same key and all that. That's chill. I was in the chill mode, man, once I hit number 22. Okay. Oh, I about to go to 20. Hold on. And I think this is the last one. This is the last one for right now. Let me see. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Okay, there we go. 26. All right. Can you fight the power? I got a sequence here in the song, so it might be a good way to end it. Maybe not. We'll see. 32 bars. God, dog. Not just loop the same thing over. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I remember this. Oh. Turn this thing up a little bit. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, it's be your boy Q hollering at you. Let's go ahead and let this thing rock out. Beat strong. Woo! Yeah. That's right. That's hard. That's hard. Okay, so it's just the same loop again. But yeah, like I was saying, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you do with your old beats and all that down in the comment section below. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Peace. Let's let this thing rock out. Hard.